Hi friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a binary number to hexadecimal. You already know, a number is represented in binary using two digits only, 0 and 1. While hexadecimal can be represented using digits 0 to 9 and A to F. So here, you can see the question, I will convert the binary number to hexadecimal. Kindly write down the number 1 0 1 1 1 0 1.1 0 0 0 1 0. As you know, we can represent hexadecimal using digits 0 to 9 and A to F. So, in binary conversion table, we use up to 4 bits for representation, from 0 to F. So, we will group the number of 4 bits. After point, group the number of 4 bits, starting left to right direction. Here one bit is missing. In order to make group of 4 bits, add extra 0 after the number, it will cause no any changes in the value of number. Now, here in integral part, just before point, group the number of 4 bits, starting from right to left direction, still remaining 1 bit is missing. To make it group of 4 bits, add extra 0. Now, the value of this group is 4, the value of this group is 12, the value of this group in decimal is 13, the value of this group is 5. As you know, we can write 12 as C, and we can write 13 as D. So, our final value in hexadecimal will be 5D.C4. I hope that you have understood this concept. Please share this video and subscribe. If you want to know how to convert a octal to binary, then please watch the next video.